How cold is not enough.
Katakana. In today's lesson, the R and W columns, ra, ri, ru, re, ro, wa, o, n. Ra, ra. For example, ramen, ramen, ramen. Ri, ri. For example, wristband, wristbando, wristbando. Ru, ru. For example, ruby, ruby, ruby. Re, re. For example, lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. Ro, ro. For example, robot, robotto, robotto. Wa, wa. For example, wine, wine, wine. Wo, wo. Wo is not used unless whole sentences are written with katakana, in which case it might replace hiragana wo. N, n. No word begins with n, instead it is used in the middle and end of words. For example, bread, pan, pan.